The Realme Pad is the most recent tablet released by Realme. The Realme Pad has a 10.4-inch display. It has 4 Dolby Atmos speakers and a battery capacity of 7,700 mAh. The Realme Pad, which runs Android 11, costs $190. The tablet also includes a Helio G80 processor, 3 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage. Some arguments for purchasing a Realme Pad: large screen, Dolby speaker sounds great, slim design, provides cellular connectivity option, and has a good battery life. Overall, the Realme Pad is an excellent tablet. I believe you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.